Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. So today, as you all can see in the description of the video is going to be about hair spa at home, and I am doing this Enzo hair treatment at home. I have already spoken about this in the summer essential haul, and doing the review today. So as you can see, my hair is a little rough, and it's not doing that great. So I wanted to do hair spa at home. This is pandemic, and I think all we got stuck at the home. So first thing first, we need the brush to apply our hair spa at home. The first step will be to comb your hair, which I actually just detangle with the help of my fingers. Then this is a spa hair cream that I am taking. It is completely white in color. The texture is super smooth. And first thing first, this is a new one, so I'm taking it from the cap. The best thing about this hair spa is you can use it on your roots. Now there are a lot, very less product which you can apply on the roots, but here in this you can apply it on the root. And first thing first, I am taking a section of hairs and applying on the roots, because I think that's where the entire problem starts, from the hair. And especially in summer, what happens is you tend to sweat a lot, and obviously, due to sweat, your scalp becomes a little itchy, and also because it is kind of wet, so it might become unhealthy. So hair treatment, hair spa is something which is very essential. Now that's how I am doing it. I'm just um gonna apply it step by step, and I'm making a detailed video of this because I have already promised that I will do a separate review video on this. So it's a high time that we do it. As you can see that I'm taking a section of hairs, so please make sure you, if you are not able to do it alone, take a help of somebody who can help you to apply this. I'm taking some more cream, the hair cream, and I took it thrice for the length of the hair that I have, and I'm just applying it every now and then. So let's apply it quickly on the hair. I've just speed up the video to 2x just to show you how to apply, and also apply not only on the roots, also the tip of the hair, because hair treatment is something which will be repairing your end split ends of the hair, where that will help you to grow your hair a little healthy, and also will save you from the damage. So I am applying it on the tips of the hair. While doing so, you will see that lot of hairs that is coming out, but don't worry, because those are the hair which are not healthy, so they are going to come out. So next, I'm taking some more cream and applying it evenly on the length of my hair, because we are done with the root tips. As you can see, it has been spread completely, so all the entire length we are doing it. And you have to apply this cream particularly to the entire length of the hair, guys, because that's how the hair will get repaired. So this is the step number 2 which we are doing. The step number first will be combing and detangling your hair. Next is applying your cream, and I will come up with the 2 more steps in the further video. If you find this video a little helpful, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so that every time I upload the video, you all will be well notified about it. And also do not forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, because there's a lot of update of my YouTube channel, and also live update that I do give on those platforms. So you will also get to know me a little better that way. So I've applied completely on the hair, and whatever is remaining, I'm just dropping off my brush, and I'm just taking. We are moving to step number 2, which is giving a heat, a steam to the hair. Now this is a hair cap. I have already spoken on my Amazon haul, which will be coming very soon. So this is a hair cap. So here I have switched on the light. It has 2 temperature controller. One is a medium and one is a high. So I have started with the medium. The first thing, you have to tangle your hair. Here you can see the other hair is exposed, so I'm removing the cap and I'm just tying the hair completely, and I'm not finding the clutcher, so I have somehow wrapped the hair and then just kept it. You just need to tighten this up because you have got uh, to tighten this. I'm gonna do it off camera and I'm gonna leave it for 15 minutes. So yeah, it looks so funny, but it's good. It actually does the job really, really well. So my hair was losing off. I am just finding to tie it properly because you can tie it and then do your rest of your things very easily. So yeah, again I'm tying it off and then taking the cap, fixing this, making it a little tighter, and also do not put it on the ears. Remove it from the ears and tighten a little bit more, which I'm trying to, using this cap for the first time. So yeah, we have to wait for 15 minutes. So 5 minutes is done, 10 more minutes remaining. It is actually doing a great job because it is kind of relaxing. The steam is really good. I'm setting the temperature to a little higher because yeah, I wanted to get it done. I've done it in the evening. Now 15 minutes are over. Now I'm gonna switch it off and just remove the shower cap, and the cap inside the layer, you can easily wash it off. You can see that I feel so much relaxing. The it is completely spread, and yeah, it feels very good, by the way. Sometimes it feel a little hot, but there is a temperature controller. Then I'm just gonna wash off and I'll come. I have washed off my hair. I've actually blown it little dry. So step number 3 is something which you need to blow dry your hair, because when your hair is wet and when you kind of comb, you tend to lose your hair. So I don't really do it everyday basis, but I do blow dry my hair, and my hair is feeling supremely soft, and the hair spa is really good. I really enjoyed using this, and this really works for me. So I hope you, and the shower cap is also really good. So I hope you can try this at home. I will definitely link it down below. So that's how my
Thank you so
hair
much for
is.
watching.
Do
Do take a
consider
moment to
subscribing to
follow me
my
on
channel. Thank you
Instagram
so
and
much for
Facebook.
watching.
Do make
Subscribe to
sure
my
that you have
channel, hit the
subscribed to
bell
my
icon,
channel and also hit the like
and
button
yeah, follow me on
for more
Instagram and
such
Facebook.
updates.
I will
And
definitely
that's
see you
very
in the
much.
next
I will
video.
see you
Take care,
very
bye
soon with
bye,
yet another
and
video.
maintain social distancing.